The overall objective is to really engage students and get them motivated about their studies in engineering and working with different technical tools. Also bring in a lot of their social skills, so for them to be able to communicate with their peers, to collaborate, and really come together to formulate a real good team.
Obviously, it's good for the students. I get to practice what we learn in the classroom on the competition itself.
Also, I think it's a very good opportunity for students as well as anybody venturing into embedded development to try out the new Freedom board. It's very, very good stuff, especially for our applications.
We have a very good lecturers and very good supervisors. They help us a lot. And it's not my first time that I'm joining this competition. This is the second year that I'm joining.
Actually, we do the Freescale Cup in 24 countries around the world. And I've been to all of them, I think, except for one. In the past, not all in 1 year, but I make the rounds to certain ones every year.
Okay, so you will be started with your testing round first, so later you will draw your sequences and every team will have a spare some time for testing. Follow your sequence.
You see, when they learn, let's say embedded system or electronics, right, it's good for students, but only when you apply it in real life, like, okay, I want to control a car, so they actually move autonomously and so on, then they will see, oh, actually, microcontroller really is a very good knowledge to learn.
There are different aspects of the competition. One, of course, is mechanical, that they actually have to construct the car itself. Another aspect is software. They have to be able to program it. Another aspect is actually the whole integrity of the competition. So they have to kind of pull together all the different parts of the team and collaborate. So I think that bringing in different disciplines within engineering or other areas is a healthy thing for the team.
As we did the previous years, we obviously do our best. To be honest, we're not expecting much, but possibly a return for our efforts.
We have a very good experience and I know everything is a little bit of image processing and actually is not that difficult, and I hope that we can get a good chance in this competition today.
You as students are our future. We really need to keep that in mind as we go forward. And I will do my part in working with the students in the way of education at universities, and the group here in Malaysia will do their part by helping to bring you folks into Freescale to grow our company. As far as the students, I think the student level of excitement is the same around the world. They're very passionate, very excited about racing, very excited about the robotics.
Ready? The first, second attempt from UITM teacher. First obstacle will be next obstacle, first heel, second heel, happy, and over the finish line for our 22 finalists. Pelepasan untuk MM Cider 1 daripada MMU. Masih jalan mereka bengkok dan kita simpan empat sekarang ini snake band. Next will be the first heel, up and over, hairpin, and yes! Cyber one.
After this, right, they actually kind of you start to evolve. Okay, I can start to design my own circuit to control something else. It's very good for their mini project and also final year project.
The caliber of the teams, there always is a pack that leads the group and comes out on top, and there's others that struggle. But I think the one thing that they all get out of it is a really great learning experience.
Cash prize of 500 ringgit and a trophy, and the winner is from Multimedia University, Cyber One! Multimedia University.
Well, the next one after this, believe it or not, will be the championship in Harbin, China. So we're bringing together 9 teams from 9 different countries or regions of the world to race for who's the best of the best in the Freescale Cup. And that'll be held in Harbin, China in August 23-24.